Ensuring effectiveness, proper maintenance of personal protective equipment. Today, we'll discuss why regular maintenance and inspections are crucial for ensuring the effectiveness of PPE in protecting workers. Why is maintenance important? Ensures continued effectiveness at protecting workers from hazards. Extends the lifespan of PPE, saving costs on replacement. Demonstrates commitment to worker safety and regulatory compliance. Cleaning. Details on cleaning procedures. Wiping down surfaces with disinfectants. Laundering fabric items. Using specialized cleaning solutions when necessary. Inspection. Importance of regular inspections. Identifying signs of damage or wear. Ensuring all components are functioning properly. Preventing potential hazards from compromised equipment. Replacement. When to replace PPE. Damaged or worn out equipment. Equipment that no longer provides adequate protection. Following manufacturer's recommendations for replacement intervals. Storage. Best practices for storing PPE. Clean, dry area. Away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Separate from chemicals that could degrade materials. Training. The importance of training, proper use and maintenance of PPE. Recognizing signs of damage or wear. Reporting procedures for damaged equipment. Conclusion. Regular maintenance and inspections are essential for ensuring the effectiveness of PPE in protecting workers. By following proper maintenance procedures, employers can demonstrate their commitment to worker safety and regulatory compliance.